Alright, this is the Arlington 48, 1,440 square feet. You can see when you walk in, you can see the kitchen. It's not right in front of the living room, right off to the left. Walk over there, you can see the island, microwave side by side. We'll swing back around over here and see the living room. This is a built-in entertainment center. You can see you have a really nice size living space. Here, go back over here. We'll walk this way towards the kitchen. See, walking in the kitchen, you got a huge island, plenty of space for 4 bar stools, lots of storage space and cabinet space in this kitchen. Glass vent hood, microwave, huge window above the sink. See if you have a beautiful view out the back of your property or the front of your property. However you face the home, you'll be able to see that view. We'll come over here, more natural light. Here we have a pantry with a sliding barn door application. Not barn door, apologize. Good size pantry. This dining area is big. You can see that's a big table right there that we have in here. Let me just kind of walk around the kitchen so you can kind of see. Backsplash to protect your walls from when you're cooking with grease or food splashing up on there. See, you have a deep sink. Dishwasher included. Go up here, you can see the cubbies above the cabinets for storage. We'll look back this way. Here we go, the laundry room right here. Got a nice spacious laundry room. Plenty of room for a full-size washer and dryer. Shelf above. Natural light through the back door. Go to the living room. We'll go over this way and go into the master bedroom, which is also very spacious. As you can see, we have a queen-size bed right there with plenty of space on the left and the right. So if you have a king-size bed or some big furniture. 2 nice-sized windows for natural light. That's the master bedroom closet over there, which is very large. As you can see, you can go to the right and then all the way to the left. Lots of space to hang your clothes up. Go into the master bathroom. Once you get in here, you'll see how this is set up. We got his and her sinks. Once again, lots of cabinets, lots of storage space. 2 linens. Right there's one. The other one's on the other side. So plenty of space to store things. Plenty of counter space. His and her sinks. You see we got a huge tub right here. It's like an Olympic-sized bathtub. Once again, plenty of natural light and storage space. We'll go over here, kind of zoom around. Get a better shot of the mirror and the his and her sinks. Drawer bank, cabinets. Once again, a linen. This bathroom does also have a walk-in shower. And we'll open that up so you can see it does have a seat. So you can see all that. Go back in here. Go through here. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,440 square feet. Partial tape and textured. You do have a storage closet right here in the hallway. I'll open this up for you and step back so you can see it. Keep towels, blankets, winter clothes. There's another one of the bedrooms right here. Nice size closet. Nice size room. This is 2 full baths. Have a tub shower combo. No carpet in the bathrooms, of course. Once again, sink, storage space, and then the 3rd and final bedroom, which is also good size. This is a really beautiful home. It's called the Arlington 48. This home right now is on special for $79,999. You can come see this home at 3700 East Central Texas Expressway in Killeen, Texas. Just come in and ask to see the Arlington 48. It's our top selling model and it's on sale right now. Come see us at 3700 East Central Texas Expressway in Killeen, Texas, or call us at 254-690-1232, or go to our website at www.killeen.palmharbor.com for more information today. Thank you and have a great day.